Hello students, today I am going to start with the chapter 3 coordinate geometry. We have completed first and second chapter. You can see the videos, last videos. Okay, in this chapter coordinate geometry, okay, very simple chapter we can say, but the main things you have to focus on we will just learn by doing some activities and all. Okay, so you must have plot the things on number line. Okay, in your earlier classes you studied about number line. Number line, you all know what a number line is and how to put points on number line, huh? Okay, if we start with a number line, if we start with a number line like this, I can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Like this we write integers on number line and we can plot anywhere, isn't it? And similarly, see, if I have drawn a number line in horizontal way, this is the horizontal way, na? This is the horizontal way of drawing. I can also draw a number line like this also in a vertical way, and I can write 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Is it? If I say this is line X and this is line Y, the horizontal line, this is the horizontal, okay, and this one is vertical. Okay, vertical line, horizontal line. So what about if I add both the lines? What if they intersect each other at origin? Origin is what? At 0. What about? Just think about it. See, this is the number line on which you are representing integers horizontally. This is on which you are representing vertically. Okay, what about if I intersect these lines on a 90-degree angle at 0? Suppose this is this one, this x1, it is having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, like this. And this is the other one. The other one I am saying about what? Other one I am saying about is what? The vertical line. See, I have combined both the lines. Here we are having single horizontal line, vertical line. Now what I have done? I have made them to intersect at the 0 point. See, this 0 point. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. Like this, you can write the numbers. Okay. Now I will name it. See, if I name it as X, this is X dash. Now Y, this is Y dash. Now this plane, see, these are the number lines, but now we have got a plane. These are only the number lines. See, horizontal line, vertical line, but now we have got a plane. Okay, this is called this whole combination. You can see the combination of X and Y axis. See, it is the Y axis, the vertical one. The vertical को हम क्या कह रहे हैं? Y axis. And the horizontal one is what? Horizontal one is X axis. Okay, are you getting? Y axis, X axis. Okay, and the combination there, see, the intersecting point is this one, no? This one is the intersecting point. So what is it? It is the origin. So this is what? The intersecting point. You can see X axis and Y axis intersecting point, what is called, intersecting point is called origin. See, origin, this is the origin. So see, this whole combination, again I am telling, this whole combination is called as Cartesian plane. This whole combination is called as combination of what? Where x-axis and y-axis intersecting at 90 degree at origin. This is what? Origin point, and we call it as Cartesian plane. So this Cartesian plane is divided into 4 parts. We also call it as coordinates also. Coordinate plane भी बोला जाता है, Cartesian plane भी बोला जाता है. You can see different names given to it. Okay, so now remember, in this Cartesian plane, how many parts you are seeing? You are seeing 4 parts. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, these parts are named as quadrants. What are the names? Quadrants. So it is the first quadrant. It is the first quadrant. I have written somewhere down, no? It is not first. See, where positive, see, these are the positive x-axis, these are the positive y-axis. That means it is the first quadrant. You can see the first quadrant here. Okay, this one is the second quadrant. Where is the second quadrant? Where negative x-axis and positive y-axis is there, second quadrant. Then third quadrant. Okay, and then the fourth quadrant. This one is the fourth quadrant. Is it? See, clearly you can see it. When the coordinate axis, see, this x-axis, horizontal line, this y-axis, they meet at origin, they form a Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means first, it is divided into 4 parts: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, now the next thing which comes, the next thing is, after quadrants you must know how to plot points. How to plot points. So pointing out of plot points on Cartesian plane. Now how to point the points on Cartesian plane? Points on Cartesian plane we have to plot. Okay, so how to plot? The first point always is of x-axis and the other one is of y-axis, and we call it as coordinate. What we call? Coordinates. We call it as coordinates. See, the first point always of x-axis and the other one is of y-axis, and in combination we call it as coordinate. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? Coordinates. Now the thing is, if we name it as in different, see, the combination of x and y axis is called as coordinate, but if we talk about different, then the x point is known as abscissa. What is abscissa? Which point? The x point is known as abscissa and the y is known as ordinate. Abscissa, ordinate. The x point abscissa, the y point ordinate. Okay, this is the way we denote, means the whole combination is x and y, it is coordinate. How do we plot a point? Suppose we have to plot 2, 3. This is the coordinate. Suppose we have to plot this. Okay, so how do we plot? The first one is of x-axis and the second one is of y-axis. clearly you can see from here. And repeat the video. If you are having any doubt now, just repeat the video. 2 comma 3. Now see, here we are having 2 because we are saying x-axis first now. It is of x-axis and it is of y-axis. So where is 2? This one. So just mark it, and there is 3. So go like this, 2 and 3. So this is the point where we are getting what? 2 comma 3. And it is in which quadrant? It is in first quadrant. Suppose you are asked, एक बार को सोचो, अगर क्वेश्चन में पूछा जाए कि -3,5 कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में आएगा, वेयर यू विल गेट -3,5. दिस इज ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस, दिस इज ऑफ वाई एक्सिस. -3 here and 5 here, so -3 and 5 here somewhere you got -3 and 5, and it is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. And suppose one more thing, if question is asking where will 2 comma 0 come, 2 comma 0, see 2 comma 0, so here 2 and 0, see y point is what? 0. So 2 comma 0 you are going to get here only. And where you are getting, in which quadrant? Not in quadrant, you are getting it on positive x-axis. You are getting it on positive x-axis. Here we are having negative x-axis, here we are having positive y-axis, and here we are having negative y-axis. So in this way you can plot, you can find, you can do anything, okay, with the coordinate geometry. Means this is the basics we have learned. So try to follow, try to see the video in repetition mode, and it will really work out for you. It will clear a lot of doubts. Just go through the video. Many things you will learn in this short video of 12 minutes, 13 minutes, that's it.